Breast milk is the greatest gift a mother gives to her baby, as it provides perfect nutrition for babies. The breast pump is an effective way to express milk. 3-in-1 functions enable a mother to choose what best fits her needs. The 9 suction levels provide multiple options for customized comfort levels and speed. The anti-backflow vacuum seal system effectively prevents any contamination of pump and milk. A quieter motor lets you get things done without disturbing your baby. Once milk is expressed, it can be stored in a bottle or storage bag, and it's always best to keep it fresh. It is easy to clean and provides multiple charging modes. The breast pump makes milk pumping easy for busy mothers that wish to prolong their breastfeeding period for the benefit of their baby. Your baby is our concern.